to Süleymaniye area. I have two girls with me. We're gonna go to Süleymaniye Mosque, passing to some historical places, and I have some other shops I want to show you. So let's begin. We have restrictions for children under 20. They can only go out like between 1 and 4 p.m. So it's their time now, and I'm gonna take my daughter and my brother-in-law's daughter. So we are going.
Gözüme güneş geliyor diye herhalde öyle yapmış.
I'm in the center of Fatih area. On my left there is a municipality behind me right now. I see the Valens Aqueduct. It's very old, from Byzantine time. We're gonna perform the noon prayer in Şehzadebaşı Mosque. We're gonna enter to historic areas of Istanbul Süleymaniye Conservation Area. It's a World Heritage Site. Tut mu? Evet.
Evet.
Vermiştim.
Kalıcı da yani. Ay baksanıza bu.
Güzel. Burası nereye getirdin? Geldik.
Famous vefa bozacısı. Endüstrida sevda gazozcusu. Let's see what they have. They have sherbets, different kinds. Can I check what's in it? For example, this one.
Apartmanlarıyla gazoz etmek istemiyorum. Bak çok iyi Reyhan. Reyhan ve gül aromalı. O yüzden meyvesi de çok şey bir meyve. Siyah havuç
Dikkat edin de.
konsantresi, gül reyhan,
Ben aldım
mürver,
ama
mürver çiçeği.
We have helvacı here, lots of peynir helvası. The one I was talking about in Bayrampaşa vlog. I used to buy from Beam store. But here's another like original store for it to buy. And these are like fried. This is tahini helva, another type. This one probably yaz helvası, summer helva. We have tahini paste here. And this is pekmez, I think. And this is irmik helvası, semolina helva. Inside they put ice cream. We didn't buy anything because we are getting hungry, so we didn't want to mix up everything by tasting from gazoz, boza, all of them. So we are heading. I'm not sure what we're gonna get now. We'll see.
Hot sorayan yedin mi? Yani o kadar güzel ki bana ilk
Sen-
çok saçma geliyordu ama patates ve ekmek öyle bir efsane oluyor ki.
We are in Vezneciler. My girls didn't want to stay here and go to Süleymaniye. Rather, they want to go to Beyazıt Square. So we're gonna head there.
Ben de nefes alamıyorum.
Şu Safiye'nin kitabından benziyor.
Ha evet.
Safiye'nin ağacı.
Üniversite şartları diyor gel.
Şu yeni çelikten alacağım. Bir tane adamın yeni yaptığı çelik. Vicdanım el vermiyor. Masrafına da. Abi bu insanları küçülmeye bak. Değmez.
Now it's time to eat. Everyone is outside like enjoying as we do. And we have beautiful Bosphorus in front of us. kids doing the same thing to everyone. We are back in Fatih. As a final stop, we're gonna buy halka tatlısı.
Lansmana özel 1.350 bağışlı güvencesiyle.
We have lots of snow, but we're gonna go to hostel service a little bit by car and then walk. And, we also want to see the park a little bit if we can, to show you and to see. This is how much snow we got. It's a lot for Istanbul. We came to the park, but it's snowing. I can only film here under the shelter, but it's so beautiful. There is no one here, so I'm gonna try to go more. We just saw a leylek neydi kız?